You know what I'm gonna say? Connection. Honestly, we just have a team. We have a team for our teachers working together, but it's not just that. It's teachers with kids and the kids that aren't even in your class, like looking at that grade 5 group. How awesome when they're walking around upstairs that they know these other kids as well. So, and not just on a
Mhm.
school level, but you get to know them as people too. And I find that that is for me, that connection piece has that's why I do it, honestly.
Mhm. I would say I've seen a shift from me, mine to us, our, we.
Mm.
It's just different when you're all wrestling with a key issue. It's not like, well, I think you should do this. It's more like, oh yeah, that happens to me too. Or I've lived that, I've had some success with this. Oh, I love that idea that you're doing. It shifts you from like this isolating, I'm in my own little world. And I think that was in this community anyway, in our school, that was an offshoot of COVID. And I know we both came in
Mhm.
after the fact, but if you would have polled our team, like we have 2 floors. We're a very big school. So during COVID, people couldn't interact. They weren't allowed to go to the staff room. They couldn't come to the office. And so the upstairs floor never talked to the downstairs floor. So like maybe you talk to your neighbor across the way, but that's it. And so some people didn't even know the names of other people on our staff. Like that's things that I've learned when I was starting. And now it just changes the conversation because you see you aren't alone. You have a team of really competent, kind, student driven people who are on your team. So I would say I really I see it shifting from this isolationist view to like everybody. It's
Yes.
collective ownership.
Mhm.
We are all together.